All right, guys, Saturday morning, been having fun with the trike again. I was just itching to get it out, and I thought it was well overdue since it's been on the track, and just absolutely having a ball with it. And I keep the trike and the Thunderbike in the same package, so I got that one out too. And boy, it's just not nearly as easy to race. You hear the tires spinning, you know, I mean, it'll get some traction, you know, but cornering and stuff like that, I mean, it's really just a fall over, you know. It does have some speed to it, but again, it's just, I don't want to say, oh man, come on, I don't want to say lame against the trike, but there's a major difference. Okay, good. Let me get this off the track. So we had a suggestion come in, and it had, they said, have you ever made a Thunderbike into the trike? And I've never done that. I've seen what they've done, and you know, I've worked on this one, and it really looks like the only difference is the back axle, you know. Let me move this up here a little bit. I mean, when you look at them, the only thing is the back axle, the gear there, that's just it's a special gear to hold the tires on, yes, but it's the same size as like the top plate back gear. And it's just a standard T-Gen axle with two hubs, and I've got some gel claws on the back there. So that's really not a tough build, you know what I mean? It's really not a tough build. So I kept thinking about that since the request just came in, and I said, well, what parts do I need? You know, what parts do I need? So I went over here and I got a short axle, or standard axle, I guess. And then I got one of the back gears that go on the top plate of the engine. I got two of the hubs there. I got a couple of gel claws, and I got a truck tire for the front. So now I know I've got the supplies to do the trike. I'm just missing a Thunderbike to do it. So I gotta get one off eBay to do it. But I thought, since I had these out, and the back tires here are just, they do have some pliability to them. They're not dry and crackly, but they're just not giving the grip I want. So what I got over here is still in the package from, what, 50, I don't know, 8 years ago, whenever they made these things. And I'm gonna put those on the Thunderbike and see if we can get this thing moving around the track a little bit better. Just a quick side note, the stuff that I've had on eBay, I want to thank you guys for all the questions and comments. Everything here is still on eBay. It will be till tomorrow. And I've got some other stuff going up there. I've got the Maserati Tan, great shape, absolutely wonderful shape, good running chassis. AC Cobra, look at that. I mean, just absolutely fantastic condition. Tan Mustang here, that'll be going up. That runs great. I love running that bugger. That's a very good chassis. And we have two Jaguars. We got a blue one, exceptional shape. Very good shape. White one, I know it's common, but really good shape. And is that, what is that, Alfa Romeo? I'm looking for one that has the chrome roll bar. I like this green one, I really do, but I'm looking for one that has that chrome bar. So I don't mind going and letting somebody else have some fun with this, because when I find the one with the chrome bar, I'm going to jump on it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do this. Let me get these out of the package, and then we'll go from there. Well, I'll tell you what, I just got the tires out of the package there, and oh boy, they're supple and everything. They're just what you want as far as a good replacement tire. It's like there's no brittleness to them whatsoever. Okay, to get the back tires off in the gear there, you literally just take a small screwdriver and pop it out. It should come right out. I don't think we have to discombobulate the whole thing. Let me go ahead and use both hands, just a sec. Yeah, okay, good. I mean, 2 seconds and it was out. Just a small screwdriver, your thumbnail on the other side just pops right out. Now getting the tires off the rim, no problem. Just pull them off. That's all you have to do. If they crack, or if they're going to crack, that's fine. You're going to put some new ones on there. Again, need 2 hands, just a sec. more brittle than I thought. Boy, the first one, I started trying to peel off the side and it just started coming off in pieces. The other one, the second one came off fine, but it looks like it's just ready to crack and split. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the wire Dremel and see if I can clean up that back gear a little bit. Just get a lot of if there's any rubber, debris in there left from the tires. Then we'll go ahead and put the new ones on. Well, I cleaned up good. I tell you what, that Dremel just took I don't know, minute and a half. Cleaned up that back gear. Just every bit of it's nice and clean. Let's go ahead and get the tires on. Boy, since those tires have never been used before, pardon me, they fit snug. They fit really snug. I got them on, they started like leaning towards the center, then you gotta straighten them out a little bit, but I got them on real good. And I put the residual tires, the old tires, and with these ones just came in the packaging. I'm gonna pitch that. I'm not gonna keep that stuff. So let's go ahead and get this back gear and the tires on. This is gonna, I can't wait. Just how supple the rubber is. I can't wait to see this on the track. There's gonna be like a world of difference, I bet. I tell you, boy, that was not the easiest thing putting that back together. I am certainly glad if you're gonna put the tires on this thing, you don't have to discombobulate the whole Thunderbike. Let's do this. Let's just go ahead and put it straight on the track. See if we get any more traction with the new tread. Okay, see if we're on. Oh boy, geez, boy, it took right off, didn't it? Man, I don't think it's ever been that fast. And, oh wow. Wow, I can't open it up. There's no way I can open it up. Wow. Marked difference. That thing will go around the track. That's cool. Oh boy. I tell you what, guys, if you want to make your Thunderbike run a whole lot better, you get you some of those tires that haven't been off the package. Wow. And I don't know if anybody's making any repro tires. I don't know. I don't know if Gel Claw or anybody's doing repro tires. So when you find them, get them. They're I don't know. I'm trying to recall like $15 for two or something like that, plus whatever shipping is. So they're not cheap. They're not cheap, but it just made, as you guys see, a world of difference with this. I just thought about it. It's going to take some getting used to having the Thunderbike without the trike running so fast. It was almost like easy to run it around the track when the back tires were spinning. Now there's so much grip. I'm going to have to get used to that. How fast it is now. Okay, guys. Again, this is the stuff up on eBay right now. If you look, you're going to find it. Should be gone tomorrow, which is Sunday, and this stuff is going up. I don't know if there's anything else in the collection I want to pare down. I've looked through everything. I even considered the ice cream truck that has the track cleaner attribute to it. I thought about it, but the darn thing works. I don't get rid of it. And what doesn't get a lot of track time is the snowmobile, but I love it. It's in like really pristine condition. So the monkey mobile, don't want to get rid of it. The ambulance, there's just certain things. I don't need a bunch of everything, but there's certain things I just don't want to get rid of. Like the trucks, I love them. I want to get more of the trucks, that type of thing. I don't mind getting rid of some of the Jags, but I want to start collecting the plated ones and the candy ones that are plated and the ones that are painted. I like them both. I really like them both. I'm always going to collect more of the ones that have no accents on them. If I can find them, I will snag them up. I also considered the stake truck. A lot of guys like the stake truck and or the dump truck. They do get a lot of track time. I was considering one or the other. Definitely not the ice cream truck or the semi or the tow truck. Definitely not those. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See ya.